Hello and welcome to Dallas, Texas. We are A&L Imports, the home of the Hummer H2. You're looking at a 2008 Hummer H2 luxury and adventure package. And more importantly, the Black Ops package. This one has 67,000 miles, which is more than we typically have. But this one was outstandingly fresh and clean that we decided to purchase it, even though it had over 50,000 miles, which is typically our max. This one is a one-owner vehicle. It is loaded with every option you could get from the factory with, of course, our custom Black Ops package, which blacks out the vehicle and removes all the chrome. I'll identify all those pieces as we go through the specific walk around. But this one is as fresh and clean as any 30,000 mile H2 that we've ever had. It's just outstanding. Let's start from the front here with the nice blacked out menacing look. So there's not a stitch of chrome on the vehicle. And so what we do to the front end, the grills always come in chrome. So this was obviously swapped out with a gloss black grill. The handles were replaced. Those are usually chrome. And then the bumper down here, this piece down here was all repainted as well. Those usually come in silver in 2008, and that was painted black in a gloss black to match the body finish. It's also worth noting down below that we outlined the H2 skid plate in black, and we left the H2 embossed in an aluminum color. The wheels and tires, the selection was made for Moto Metal Razors. These are 22-inch with a negative 44 offset, and they're 12 inches wide. So 22 by 12 with a negative 44 offset. The tires are the Nitto Ridge Grapplers. Those are brand new. Those are 35-inch. As you can tell, if you look down the side, they stick out a little bit. You can see back in the back. That's the offset. So the offset causes the wheel to stick out, that it has a more aggressive, wide stance, which is the look and has been the look for a few years. If you can look down inside the wheel well, it is a little dirty, but there's no signs of any rust or corrosion. The frame rails, the suspension components, the control arms, everything in great shape. As far as the Black Ops package and what gets replaced on the side of the vehicle, so you'll notice the side hood latches are in black. The back of the side mirrors are painted black. The door handles are replaced with black, and then the fuel filler door is also replaced with black. Those are painted in what's called a satin black. So it has a nice contrasting finish. And we do that on purpose so that not everything is gloss black, but it has some contrast, which is nice. It kind of gets picked up with the plastic trim along the bumpers and the wheel lip moldings and the rocker molding down at the bottom. Which are kind of have a satin look as well. Oh, can't forget the running boards. Those are painted in a gloss black. But the vehicle itself, if you look down the side as well, you can see there's no door dings or scrapes or scratches or anything, and it's as clear as if you're looking through a mirror. And that's just the deep gloss and the condition of the paint. It's in excellent shape. As fresh, like I said, if it was a 20,000 mile vehicle. On the back, you'll notice we also painted the rear lower bumper on the back as well. No chrome elements, no chrome accessories anywhere to be found there. Again, looking down the side, you can see no scratches, no door dings, no dents, scrapes, anything like that. This is also a good angle to see how the wheels set out a little bit from the body for the aggressive stance. We did go with the black crossbars on the roof racks up there as well. So it all comes together. There's nothing that we forgot about or something that's left in chrome or anything like that. Now the wheels do have, just so you know, they have a flat silver inlay on the edge of the spokes, which is a nice contrast. They look really good. It gives it some depth when it's moving and the wheels are turning. It looks outstanding. And that also helps so that the wheels don't just disappear in all black. So it gives it a little definition. Windshield is in great shape. There's no cracks. There's no spidering or anything like that. There's on the front end here, as you can see, there's no rock chips. There's no evidence of what people call sandblasting, which is driving down the highway all the time with all the rocks chipping up the paint. But there's no evidence of that anywhere. The hood. The paint is in outstanding shape as well. Let's pop the hood, and then we'll look at the interior. We've got to undo the side hood latches. And open her up. Engine bay's all clean, everything's in great shape. That should be covered. Go to the other side. It's in excellent shape. Let's close it back up and we'll go get inside and take a look at the interior condition. Let's look back here first. So the back seat, you can see the seats are in incredible shape. There's really no sign of wear at all. This certainly was not one that had any kids or anything like that. I have 4 children, so I know what they can do to a vehicle. But it doesn't look like it's had much wear back here at all. There's the third row seat, full third row. Of course, that's divided right down the middle, so you can fold down the backs of the seats. You can take one side out, leave the other. You can take them both out. You can fold them down. Whatever you want to do there. That's in great shape. By the way, so you've got your DVD screen there, so it comes down from the headliner, and so that screen, and that is a factory option. So I'll explain a little bit more about the luxury and the adventure package. But let's hop inside here. So let's punch this here. So it has 67,085 is the miles on it today. Oh, you know what? I didn't get a good shot of the driver's seat before I hopped in. So everything's in great shape here. This is where you see a lot of cracking, but that's not the case. It's in really good shape. You do have some signs of wear in here, of course, but no excessive wear. The dye hasn't come off or anything like that. There's the door panels in great shape. It is missing its carpet's in great shape as well. For some reason, my guys didn't put the floor mat back in on this one, but it will come with full floor mats. Okay, so the luxury package generally includes the DVD, the rear camera. We'll start it up here. And the navigation. Although the navigation is not technically part of the luxury package, most of them have it. It's a standalone option, but generally comes with luxury package vehicles. Now, the other thing that the luxury package comes with is the rear camera that's mounted right above the receiver hitch. And the adventure package, by the way, this is four-wheel drive, as all of them are. The adventure package comes with this button here, which tells you that it has an air suspension in the rear. So that the application to the rear air suspension is mostly ride leveling, but you do have the option of raising and lowering it here manually, and that button doesn't exist if it doesn't have the adventure package. So otherwise, all the buttons, all the controls are in great shape. This has the heated seats, of course. This has the cruise control, all the controls on the steering wheel. These buttons right here are the ones that you'll see worn off on a lot of the H2s out there. The ones that are a lot more worn. These are all fresh and in great shape. The center console's in great shape. This does have a little spot right there, and a little spot right there, but otherwise in great shape. It does have your auxiliary connector to plug in your phone and play your phone. No cracks or anything in the dash. Everything really fresh. Here's the passenger seat. So that's about it. Everything is just really solid on this one. But that's a quick little walk around. I think I've gotten everything. If there's any other questions, give us a call. So you can reach us at our main number, 817-421-3700. You can go to our website, andlimports.com. andlimports.com. My name is Cooper. You can actually go to our website and contact me through there. You can give us a call. And as you can tell, we have lots of Hummers. That's our specialty, and I'm trying to get everything up in video. And that's about it from Dallas, Texas.